Hold up, hold up. Yeah. Hold up, hey. Woman.
What's up, everyone? I'm Hylan. You guys are gonna watch me make some food and stealth camp at a park that I know about. Hopefully we don't get in trouble for stealth camping here. We have our chicken being prepared right now. It's currently being defrosted. Let me grab that and show you it. I currently have the chicken inside of a bag and I'm defrosting it. So hopefully once it's done being defrosted, we can get to cooking. So we have our chicken in the bag. First off, we're going to use some of this. Saison. See that? It's coated in goodness. That's gonna fry up very well. That's gonna be nice. It's got seasoning on all sides. And then look at that one. That one's beautiful. Sometimes I like to sit here and draw or color. It helps me with my depression and like my thoughts that are in my head. It also is very calming and relaxing. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you made it this far, continue watching to the end so you can see my painting when it's done. It's not really a painting, but let's just pretend it is. Since I'm still waiting for my sides to be done, I'm just gonna finish this one piece of chicken. I'm gonna see if I can stealth camp here for the night. This is what the park looks like. Let me show you. I found the perfect spot to sleep in. I decided to watch some Netflix and go to sleep after this. See you in the morning. We've made it to the morning time. Look around. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're just gonna chill here for a little bit longer before we start our day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a comment, and please subscribe. And it also helps out my channel. And I want to get to at least 100 subscribers by the end of this year or by January. So if you would like to help me out, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and comment on my videos. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Or maybe watch another one. That'd be cool too.